Hey guys, and then here's what I want to get from Sony. And then I'm gonna see what else they sell that would be worth getting for it. And then I will keep you guys posted on the whole ordeal with the Sony ZV-1. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep now on the community tab till YouTube makes featured where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace out. Oh, and then hey guys, I didn't add the vlogger accessory kit because I'm gonna probably buy everything they show for that and everything else that they have besides that. And here's how much it is before adding the vlogger accessory kit, which is probably cheaper adding that than buying it all individually, possibly, I don't know. But then I will keep you guys posted on everything I get for it after I email them. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep it on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. Hey guys, here's everything I'm looking at getting for Sony, which is nearly 1150 bucks, but then since I have my ID I can get a discount. This is gonna be a gnarly setup. Well, this is about to be brutally expensive. I can tell you that much. So, that's gonna be, say, $1,262.10. Pretty much. And then GoPro, on the other hand, is gonna be a little over $3,300. So then, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep it on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.